Good afternoon, traders. This update is for September the 2nd, 2010. Dow Jones finished up 50 points. NASDAQ finished up 23 points. Semiconductors really picked up. That's what we needed to get this NASDAQ up again. S&P 500 finished up almost 10 points today. NASDAQ led it once again because them semis, 1% gain. Today's headlines in the market. Initial weekly claims see little change from prior week as expected. Second quarter non-farm productivity improves in line with expectations. Factory orders for July make incremental gain, but July pending home sales climb more than expected. That's good. Same store sales generally exceed expectations. That's good. Retailers report surprising August sales gains. That's good. Crude finishes above 75. That's not good for us at the pumps. Semiconductor stock spike. I already told you about that. Burger King agrees to a $3.3 billion capital offer with a private equity group. And something about HP and or Dell backed out of the three-part deal for $33 a share, I believe. I didn't put that on here. Some notable upgrades. Jack in the Box got an upgrade from 18 to 23 at D.A. Davidson. ExxonMobil got downgraded from 80 to 70 at Deutsche Bank. Joy Global got upgraded from 77 to 80 due to their beat, I think it was 2 days ago. They actually got 2 upgrades today. And Yahoo downgrade from 17 to 15 at UBS. Tomorrow's economic calendar. We've been waiting for this all week, guys. This is it for us. Non-farm payrolls. We're going to make a lot of money tomorrow. So a lot of volume is going to be in this market. Definitely show up to work early tomorrow. ISM services is at 10 o'clock, so the first 30 minutes is going to be hectic, and then you have that number hit at 10 o'clock. We're definitely going to be prepared. Now that we got this out of the way, I'm going to walk you through some of the ETFs, indexes, and some levels that you guys need to watch for tomorrow. Looking at the US dollar futures right here, the DX finished down about 15 cents today. I'm going to give you 2 scenarios. If the non-farm payrolls miss and the number's bad, we will definitely end up hitting support at this 82.44 level and end up bouncing up. It depends how bad the market gets. 82.60 is definitely in the cards, and potentially we could get all the way back up to this 83 mark. However, if it's the opposite, I see us definitely heading through this 82.31 level and probably going to end up around this 82.05. So mark these 2 levels on your charts. As for crude oil, we ran all the way up and hit our resistance at the 75.13 level today, which was a nice move from Tuesday after the close when we were at 71.60. So we ran up $4.40 in a matter of 2 days. We have a little uptrend right here going on. I'm drawing that from last Wednesday all the way up till today, which is at the 72 marker. What I'm going to look for is if crude can get above the 75.13 level tomorrow, maybe pull back, then it could be looking to take out the 77 area again and break out of this big congestion. And back in here, there's a lot of just a tight little range that we need to break out of. I'd like to see it, of course, crude to go all the way down again, but I don't think that's going to happen. Worst case scenario, we pull back from the 75.13, retest this 73.97, find support here, and then continue the run up. So right now I'm slightly bullish on crude. As for gold bullion, we still continue to climb higher. Today we finished up 5 points, almost a 0.5%. 1256 was a high on Wednesday. We have this huge resistance right here, 1252. Looks like we closed below it today. Tomorrow, if things get bad, we will see 1266. I'm pretty sure. If this number's really bad, if we don't see 1266, we're gonna come pretty close to it, and I don't think this prior resistance is gonna mean anything. This is an hourly chart. We still have that ascending 50 period moving average. Now, if things are a little better on that number, then maybe we'll head down to 1232. I'm not saying tomorrow, it may take a day or two, but that will get us over 1100 in the SPX tomorrow. The Riffin index had another great day, finishing up 7 points, about 1%. As you can see, we came over this 745.70 level and started chugging toward this 758 level. Tomorrow, if the number's good, like I said, guys, I'm going to try to give you guys a positive and a negative scenario for each thing I'm calling out. 758, we could pull above this, you know the routine, pull back, and then just rip up, maybe even to the 775 tomorrow. But if not, if the number's good, we're going to hit 775 in the next 2 days, guys. As for the SOX, we have to break above this 323 level and hold. It's a must. We have to break above it, and if we can do that, 332 is on the way. If we can't, we got to hold this 320 regardless to keep any kind of bullish edge up on this SOX right here. If we break the 320, we're headed back down to the 50, which is about 316, and then you know the routine. If we keep breaking down, we're going to retest this 310 level right here, and then if we break down again, here you go, 305, the previous low that was on Tuesday. GDX finished up, XLE, the retailers, the real estate all finished up today. Looking at the Dow Jones right here, this resistance being held at 10,324.69 to be exact. You guys can mark that as your price level. If we beat, we're headed up to this 10,500 level, guaranteed. If we miss, 10,223 will be S1. S2 will be 10,130. Mark this. I don't think we're going to break below 10,130 tomorrow, so S1 and S2 should be all you guys need for that. SPX. We broke above this key 1084.21 level today, right here, as you can see. Tomorrow, I want to see if we beat, we're going to hold above this, and we're going to continue the climb to 1103, past this 1100 that I've been calling for. If we pull back, mark this, guys, for the SPX, 1072.76, that's going to be your S1. I'm sorry, 1084.21 is your S1, 1072.76 is your S2, and your S3 is 1061.96. And last one, the NASDAQ. If we beat, we get over this 1,840 level and continue to climb up to 1,875, or we have this as our resistance. Since we couldn't break over it today, we come down. Our S1's 1811. I know that seems like it's a pretty far ways down, but whatever happens tomorrow, that could be a pretty fast and a reasonable number. And then our S2 will be 1,793. Good luck trading tomorrow. I hope you guys got some valuable information about this quick update. I wish I had more time to go through some stocks. I might do another video later, but I gotta head out. Good trade tomorrow, guys. Have a good day.